Google
Mhm.
Analytics property with data. While setting up this web data, what happens when you have enhanced measurement setting enabled? Okay, please open your GPU demo account.
Let me read the question again. You're setting up your web data stream so that your website is feeding your Google Analytics property with data. Well, setting up this web data stream, what happens when you leave the enhanced measurement setting enabled?
Okay, please open demo. Go to your demo. GPU.
Hold up 1 second. Conversion reporting for web data stream uses machine learning to distributes. Did you write these questions? Where did you get these questions from?
They're available on online websites. Okay, they
Okay.
collect the questions.
Okay.
You setting your setting webinar. The while set up.
Additional events are collected from your website without you needing to change your website's code. Events from your mobile app can be combined with your existing website data. Events can be associated with signed in users to enable cross-device reporting.
So go to analytics, please.
I
I
don't think
think
it's
do
the
it.
first one. I don't think it's A.
Okay, admin. Click on admin on the left side. The the setting, yes. Scroll down. Data streams. Click on this, please. Okay, now you can see enhanced measurement. You can see enhanced measurements is turned on now.
Mm-hmm.
So you can see page views, scrolls, site search. They are being tracked automatically through enhanced measurement. So we don't need anything to do to track these events on G4. So you can see they are being automatically tracking through G4. They're inbuilt. So the answer should be the second one. Additional events are collected from your website without you needing to change your website code. Okay. These are the additional. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So we don't need to implement any setup or any code for tracking these events. Events of enhanced measurement. Okay, now if you want to track purchase event, add to cart event, then we need to implement codes.
I see. So this is just a built-in
And
feature, basically,
yeah, yes, and
within
yes,
GA.
yes. In enhanced measurement events, you can say that. And if you want to track other events that is not here, like add to cart, purchase, and any other advanced or custom events, then only in this case we have to implement codes with the help of GTM or with the help of your developer.
Right.
Okay, now you can go to your question. Additional events are collected from your website without you needing to change your website code.
That would be the answer, right?
Yes.
Any other scenario, you'd have to change and add something to your code to be able to collect.
Any other? Any other events?
1 second. I'm sorry. 1 second, brother. 1 second.
Okay, brother.
All right. right. So okay. So basically, data from on-page elements like links and embedded videos may be collected with relevant events. You must ensure that no personally PII data will be sent to Google. So if people come into my website, they look at my video, they watch my video, they click links on my website and all that kind of stuff, Google is going to automatically track all that for me, basically, right?
Yes.
Without me having to do any other stuff in terms of putting some code to my header of my website or something like that.
Yes, we don't need to do anything, just you need to implement GA4 basic tag code, measurement ID. Only
Sure.
the measurement ID.
Okay.
Okay, the next question. Next, you sell item online and store data about each item offline. Which features allows you to upload as CSV files that contains your item data to join.
Abdul Hanan, is that you on the call?
Yes,
How are you?
I'm great, Ravi.
Great. So this is Google Analytics 4. It's the
Okay,
largest web tracking application out there. It's the main one really, but most people use, right, to track what's happening on their website. So Shuhag and I are he's certified in this. So we're studying to get our my Google Analytics 4 certification. It's another really valued cert that many companies out there are searching for right now. These classes are about that.
okay, that's great.
Okay,
I was
so
in office, so let's see.
sure. Yeah, man, you're welcome to join. So you sell items online and store data about each item offline. Which feature allows you to upload a CSV file that contains your item data to join with analytics data?
Okay. So normally you know that we can track everything on your website through GA4.
Right.
What happens online on your website. But we can also track what is happening offline. If you want to send the offline conversions to GA4, that I have 10 purchased offline.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to record them GA4. So you have to import data
Right.
with the help of CSV file. Okay, in this format. So if you go to your analytics, I can show you.
Okay, so let me just first take a guess at this. So it's not going to be a measurement protocol.
No.
It won't be modify event. That has nothing to do with this. Well, maybe. I don't know. You could maybe modify. No.
No.
Because this is the data that you're adding that's offline that you collected.
Yes.
HTTP request doesn't make any sense. That's about website address.
Secret.
So
Yes.
it'll be this one, I think.
Yes. We need to import data through CSV file.
Mm-hmm.
Data collection. Sorry, data import. Import.
Mm-hmm. Wait, what is this under? Let me see. So I go to admin, no home,
Now click on admins at the bottom, the setting option button. Admin at the
reports, right?
bottom.
Or
No, at
explore.
the bottom. At the bottom.
Oh,
Admin.
okay. And then
Data import on the right side at the bottom. On the right side. Data import. Mhm. Now you can create data source. Since this is a demo account, we can do this.
but normally you would be able to click that and that would
Yeah,
give
yes,
you something to
yes,
fill up. And then it would have an upload button where you would upload your file.
yes. In CSV format,
Right.
then it will
And
be
Google
uploaded and
Analytics would be able to read that, or after you upload it, it'll give you some display here or something.
when you upload, it will be like if you have 10 conversion online, and 5 conversion offline, it will be added to 10. Then it will be 15
Okay,
conversion.
so the when you do this, does the data
Mm.
transformation need to happen in the spreadsheet that you upload, or does
You
GA4
have to
give you the option to map out and transform that data once you upload it?
once you upload to the sheet, then you have to upload manually every time. And if you don't want to upload manually, you have to use any help of JPR automation software platform like JPR or Go High Level or something like that. JPR.
Okay. So I understand what you're saying about the uploading. You can do manual or automated, but I'm talking about
Yes.
the actual transformation of the data, right? In order to make the data readable so that Google
Mm-hmm.
Analytics can understand what the data is, right? The data map and the transformations
They,
of the
they,
data.
they
Can
have
you
format.
just upload the
You
raw data in here and it does the transformation for you, or do you have to
yes, yes,
transform it first?
yes. They have a format. You must follow the format.
Okay. So they give you a data map that
Yeah, yes.
you have to do the transformation yourself, and then you upload in that format.
You have to fill the table, the cells, the rows, then it will read. You don't have to do anything else. Okay. You
Oh,
have to
okay.
only the fill the field in CSV.
Got it. Okay. So they give you like a template or something?
Yes, they will give you template,
Interesting.
and when you follow this their format, that's it.
Okay. That makes
Okay,
sense.
then we can move to next question.
Okay.
Next question.
You want to know what pages new users open most often after opening your homepage. So you create a new path exploration and explore that you plan to share with a coworker. Who can see this new path exploration by default?
You can see only you. So if you go to your GA4, we can
Hold on.
explain.
Let me first try to see if I can answer without looking into it. Okay,
No,
so
you can't answer this. You need to know first. Click on your GA4.
hold on. I think it's this one. Because why wouldn't they be able to edit it if you share it with them? There should be an option to give them edit access as well if they're also an editor or something of your company, right?
Only you can see it. Okay.
Yeah, I
If
know.
you
Well,
click,
yeah, if I'm the one that's making it and I'm the admin, it will be only by default visible to me, but I should have the option to make someone else an editor as well.
no, it has only read only mode. If you go to your GA4, that you can see it. Reports, click on reports. Sorry, explore on the left side.
Mhm.
Explore. Mm-hmm. Click on three dot of any report. What is this? Unshare, unshare. No, they don't have share option. This demo account.
These have already been shared.
So there is an option only. What I can see, read only view, more view. Okay, read only mode. And let me check on my computer again.
Mhm.
Yes, this is read only mode. nothing else. Only read only mode. Okay, you can share edit mode. This is the restriction.
Go ahead.
Okay, the answer would be the first one.
Only
Answer
you
is
can see it, but you can share with other users the property in read-only mode. Are you sure? They cannot
yes.
edit ever?
No, you can search it on ChatGPT. Can you check it?
Um, hey, explain this question to me in detail and tell me what the right answer is. And please explain to me like in beginner-friendly language, please, because I'm not very familiar with Google Analytics 4 yet. Okay, makes sense. Okay, so
Okay,
next is
which this which of this section Google Analytics reports provide insights into where users are coming from social medias? I hope you can make the answer.
okay. Which of these sections of GA4 reports provides insights into where users are coming from? Example from social media before visiting your website. Um, this one.
Yes, this one
It's
acquisition.
traffic source, that traffic acquisition source.
Yes, yes.
You have many events on your website that are very valuable, like when users purchase items or sign up for your newsletter. You would like to mark these events as important and assign a value to these events when they happen. Okay, you have many events on your website that are very valuable, like when users purchase items or sign up for your newsletter. You want to mark these events as important and assign a value to these events when they happen. What should you mark these events as in your GA4 property? Version events, recommended events, custom events, goals. Don't tell me, hold on. Mm, conversion events.
Yes, conversion, the main event.
Can we look at this in any way in GA4?
Yes, yes. Click on GA4 and click on admin again. Now events, scroll down. Events. Mm. So you can see the mark as key events. Not here, not here. You can see the word yes. When you this turn on, The event will be your conversion event or main event. Okay. So you
So
can
there's no
select
such thing
any.
as goals, right? Goals is not a feature of GA4, right?
No. Goals
Okay.
can be feature of goal ads.
Okay.
So you can select add to cart as your conversion event. Then you have to turn this on. Okay,
Right.
key event or conversion event. Okay, same.
Means the same thing, right?
Yes, not goal.
Okay.
Okay, now we can move forward.
Which of these sessions of Google Analytics reports provides insights into where users are coming from? Example, social media before. Oh, so that's acquisition. Didn't we just do this question?
Maybe it's duplicated. Okay, you can remove this question and make the. Okay. You may have even.
Isn't
Oh
this
my
the same
God,
one
what
also?
the? Okay, okay, remove this, please.
Which
Okay.
attribution model uses machine learning algorithms to distribute credit for a conversion across different touch points?
Can you try it?
So you need to first, okay, I will, but you need to also explain to me this one in detail because I remember I did a interview several months ago for a GA, job that required GA4 experience, and they were asking me about attribution models, and I have no idea what is attribution at all. So we really need to talk about this one.
Yes,
Um,
attribution model.
let me
If you
see.
go to
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Maybe it's this one.
no, first click means when someone click on your ad first.
Hmm.
Last click means when someone click on your ad last before the main event, before making the conversion.
What do you mean by first and last?
First, okay, you are running an ad. Okay, Google Ads, suppose.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So when someone click your ad for the first time, okay, but didn't purchase.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't purchase after maybe after few hours or few days, after few days, they clicked on another ads, another ads of your Google ads. Then they purchase the product. So this machine learning or this AI, this attribution models will give the contribution to the first click or last click. Okay, it depends on you how you set up the contribution.
The what? The contribution or the conversion?
Contribution to the conversion. Contribution.
So
The rule.
base.
The rule of first click and last click.
Okay, so I
Uh,
mean, if they click the ad, then they go
sup-
to my
sup-
website and they
mhm.
purchase right away. That would be considered a first click or something?
First click. Okay. if you set up that, consider on the first click as my main goal. Sorry, I want to see the contribution of first click to my conversion. It will show you the
Oh,
first click contribution. If you set up the last click, if you want to see the last click contribution, it will show you. If you go to your analytics, then
I
it will see.
understand. I understand the concept. Basically, if you have an ad running and
Mm-hmm.
you're trying to set up the conversions to see, what led to that conversion here, you can set
Yes.
it up to either collect and track that and like give credit to that conversion on the first time someone clicked your ad,
Yes.
or you can set it up to where this is the last time they clicked your ad before they made
Maybe
the
maybe
purchase.
maybe I clicked 5 times on your ads. Okay.
Right,
Now what is the contribution of first click and last click? You want to see. This is
right,
up to
right,
you.
right. You can set it up to track either way, right?
They can track it with the help of their AI,
Okay,
Google
so
AI.
you can do both.
No, we don't need to do this because when you click on the ad, so Google can track it itself. Okay, Google
Well,
AI works for this.
that's what I'm saying is that, okay, when you're setting this up, are these features of Google Analytics 4, these two?
Yes, Google Analytics, Google Ads.
So Google GA4 will tell you that,
Hmm.
hey, these are the people that bought your product after this is what happened after the first click, and this is what happened after the last click. Like Google will show you those differences, right?
Yes, you
When it
can if
shows you
you
the data.
yes, if you
It'll
click on your GA4, you can see it.
okay.
Mm. Now advertise on the left side. Now attribution model.
Attribution basically means giving credit to
Yes,
something for something.
yes. It will show the contributions or credits models. So you can see last click, you can select data driven. What is data driven? It distributes the contribution equally to first click and last clicks. Okay. This is totally based on AI. It works based on AI.
Hmm.
Suppose someone clicked on from the first ad, they comes to your website and they clicked on add to cart but didn't purchase. After a few days, they come back again, then they clicked on purchase. So what
Mhm.
data driven will do? Data driven will give 50% to add to cart, 50% contribution to add to cart event, and 50% contribution to purchase event. Okay, data driven will distribute the contribution to all the things equally. Not equally, I mean, what percentage of the contribution it will distribute among them? 10%, 20%, 50%.
So in that scenario, someone comes to your ad, clicks the ad, goes to your website, adds something to the cart, doesn't check out. 5 days later, comes back, clicks the ad again
Mhm.
or something, goes to your website, and then checks out. How does
Yes,
Google know what percentage of attribution to give to each of those events? How does it know that something should be 50%, something else should be 25%?
because you have set up the goal on Google Ads. Okay, but first click and last click don't need to set up anything.
Got it. These are concepts of Google Ads, basically, not Google GA4, really, right? Or are these
Yes,
GA4 concepts?
you have to analysis on GA4. This is a part of GA4, important part.
Hmm. When you're analyzing your ad
Yes,
campaign.
definitely. Because you are getting this data based on your website. So if
Right.
you don't run ads, can is it a big company? No, never possible. Without
Hmm.
running any campaign. This never can be a big company. So definitely your company will run ads.
Mm-hmm.
So you must have an idea about direct source, organic search referral, and how their first click, last click working, data driven working.
Right. Interesting. Okay.
The main thing is that data driven will work based on AI, and it will distribute all the contribution to each all of the events, all of the keywords, all of the campaigns, how much they worth. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Got it.
Okay. The next question.
Okay, so what is the actual answer?
Data driven
Mm.
across it says across different touch points. So I think you know touch point. What is touch point?
Yeah, like whenever someone engages with something, some element on your website. Touch point is
No,
anytime there's an interaction from the user with something, some element on your
no,
website.
no. Touch point is a thing. Anything that can be anything. Any page view or any event just before your main event, before your conversion. That is
Well,
called touch point.
it would be an engagement from the user, right?
Anything. Just it must happen before conversion,
Okay.
and it is also divided
Anything
by.
before a conversion is considered a touch point.
Yes, and this is also divided into three stage. Okay, first, last, and the middle.
Okay, what is time decay?
Time decay, I don't know. Or the time decay, I have
It's a
to learn.
made-up term.
Sorry.
They just made it up.
No, I have no idea about time decay. What is this?
Okay, let's research this one then.
Hmm.
Ah, first touch point. So this is like first click. Okay. Meaning, what is the first time they clicked in order before they converted is
Yes,
what it's tracking.
time
And
decay
if
to
you
be
set it up
seen.
with last click attribution model, the last place that they click the ad or something before they convert, the last click they made before the conversion is what it's counting. Time decay basically means that the more recent the touch point was to conversion, the more weight it gives, the more attribution it gives, more credit it gives to that particular touch point. So if they see your Google ad, but then like a week later they come to Facebook and they see another ad and they click that and they buy the product, Google Ads is gonna still get some credit. Let's just say like, I don't know, 20%, but Facebook ad is gonna get 80% of the credit because it was the last
Currently,
closest.
currently, Google Ads only have two two options, data driven and last click. Others has been banished.
So this doesn't exist?
No, not in Google Ads.
Okay.
Even first click has been sorry, yes, first click has been disabled recently.
Okay. Okay. What else? Data-driven attribution is basically who gets credit. GA4 uses machine learning to decide which touch points contributed the most. An example would be if GA4 sees that users who click Google Ads first but later come back from email are more likely to convert, it might split the credit between both. It's dynamic and adjusts based on user behavior. I see. Okay, that
Okay.
makes sense.
Yes. When Google Ads is linked to Google Analytics, how can conversions even from Google Analytics can be used in Google Ads? So we can link Google Analytics to Google Ads. Okay. And we can use the events in
Wait, hold on.
GA4.
Wait.
Okay.
Let me read the question first. Hold on. When Google Ads is linked to Google Analytics, when Google Ads is linked to Google Analytics, Google Ads is linked to Google Analytics. How can conversion events from Google Analytics be used in Google Ads? Okay. Google Ads.
Okay.
Google
Suppose
Ads can use
you
these conversions to optimize your bids. Hold on one second. Can you use the conversion to optimize your bids for ad placement? Oh. Google Ads can use these. Excuse me. Google Ads can use these conversions to adjust and optimize your ad copy. Google Ads can use these conversions to see industry benchmarking data. Google Ads can use these conversions to generate new keyword ideas. Okay, so optimize your bids for ad placements. I think it's D, but it could maybe be A also. It's possible it could be A because it could optimize your, I mean, optimizing bids exactly, does that mean like what? Maybe, seeing how much money to give behind which of the bids for different
yes,
ads?
yes, there is bidding strategy. Okay, in Google Ads, bidding strategy.
Right.
How you how you will spend your money for
Right.
each campaign, ads. So if
Yeah,
you
so
if
go ahead. Go ahead.
okay, if you don't set up conversion tracking on Google Ads, okay, no problem. If GA4 is connected to your Google Ad account, you can bring this conversion to Google Ads so that you can
Mm,
measure and you can decide your bidding strategy. You can observe everything on
mm.
Google Ads dashboard.
Okay.
And
So
also you can take lots of things like you can take audience from GA4 to Google Ads so that you can retarget them there on Google Ads. Okay.
so which one is it, do you think, A or D?
No D, because you can see new keywords that are not relevant to this question.
Why not? If let's just say that, you have,
Keywords. We can't use any keywords on GA4. No keywords.
why
Nothing.
can't you set up a event tracking for a keyword? You could just say that anytime a user, clicks on this, what do you call it? Hyperlink text, then
Ads.
collect, then it's a track them, right?
It
So let's
it
just
it.
say you let's just say hypothetically, I have a website about chess
Mm-hmm.
and I write the keyword wooden chessboard and I
Okay.
hyperlink that keyword. And I, using Tag Manager, set up a conversion that says that anytime a user comes to my website and clicks a link that has the hypertext of wooden chessboard, count them as a conversion or whatever, right?
Yes, you can
So
set that
then
on.
let's just say we hook that up to Google Ads, and Google Ads suddenly sees that, oh crap, so many people are clicking the wooden chessboard keyword. Maybe I should bid on that keyword. Maybe I should bid extremely highly on that keyword or whatever, right? Can that not be possible?
Keyword, you will set up this keyword on Google Ads. Okay. In the ad group of Google Ads. In the ad group. When you type the keywords on Google search box, then you find the ads and then you click on the ads. Then you can see the records of clicks or conversion under these keywords on Google Ads dashboard.
But I cannot let Google, like, what I'm saying is that, can Google Ads use data, conversion data, or what do you call it, interactions data from my website to generate those keywords for me specific to my website? Is there such a feature? Instead
Like
of,
when.
okay, the way that Google Ad keyword ad planner works, from my understanding, which was 8 years ago, is
Mhm.
that it would show you the search volume, the CPC, cost per click. It would show you, like, I guess nowadays it shows you even how well it's converting across the industry, whatever, right? Within Google dashboard. But can it be specific to your website? Like keywords that your users, your visitors search a lot to come to your website, or keywords that they click in a link or something, only those keywords, can we give that data to Google Ads and say that, hey, find keywords based on these interactions from my website? Is there
Yes,
such a feature?
you have to add keywords in ad group level of Google Ads. Okay, no other ways. Must add in ad group level.
But there's no way to tell Google to do this automatically using their AI or something like that, correct?
There are two types of campaign. One is standard, another is dynamic. If you use dynamic campaign, create dynamic campaign and gives the only the page URL or your website address, then Google can make dynamic keywords. You don't need to put any keywords. It will take automatically keywords from your website through dynamic ads.
Okay, okay, wait. But based on what criteria? Based on what you've written on that page, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
It is
Now,
nowadays it is most advanced technology
okay,
Google are
sure.
using.
It does a scan on your page. It sees certain keywords that it thinks might be popular, blah, blah, blah. I get it.
Yes. Yes.
But can it do that same thing, but based on your users' interactions on your website? For example, let's just say you have a search box on your website, and every month out of 100,000 users, 20,000 of those users go to that search box and type in wooden chessboard.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Then I share all that data from the Google Analytics with Google Keyword Planner. And I say, hey, use this data into interactions from my website to see if you can help me generate new keyword ideas to bid on.
No, no, no. This is
And it identifies that wooden chessboard is a popular search term on my website or whatever, and then it suggests that as a keyword. Does that feature exist in GA4?
no, no, no.
No,
You have
right?
to set up. First of all, you have to set up conversion tracking for the search box. How many keywords has been searched with the search box? You have to set up with Tag Manager. Then you have to see the keywords in report section. Okay, on report section, and then you can add these keywords to Google Ads
You
manually.
have to do that manually. Google will
Yes.
not make
No,
that
it will not.
suggestion using their AI, correct?
No,
Okay.
because it is up to you. Okay, this is up to you what you want to add, no, or not. This technology is not such advanced as you are thinking. Maybe in the future it will be.
In the very near future, I think it would be, right? Because
Yes.
already that can be done using ChatGPT. If I download all my data and I give it to ChatGPT and I say, hey, based on how my users interact with my website, see if you can come up with some keywords based on what they clicked around on my website, what they searched, blah, blah, blah. Certainly ChatGPT would come up with some keywords for me.
Yes, they will give you keywords, but you have to check every keyword manually, and you must have idea about keywords. You have to analyze your competitors, what keywords they are
Right.
using. If you take keywords from AI and directly implement to your ads, this can be a great loss for you. Okay.
No, for sure. I mean, right now, obviously the AI is not, intelligent enough to be able to decipher
Yes.
that, right? It won't understand context. It's not going to be very good at the latent semantic indexing.
Yes, but
It
it
won't,
makes your work very easier. Okay.
right.
Like if I want to write 15 headlines in previous time, then I would take 2 hours.
Mm,
Okay. Now it can be done within 30 minutes.
mm,
But
got it.
AI can give you great ideas how you can write.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, brother. And I think we
This one,
can
right?
we can have, yes, the first one. We can have a break for tomorrow. Tomorrow
Yeah.
we can have
Okay.
a break, and then from the next day we can start again.
If you need a break, that's fine. I don't need no break, man. I'm trying to get this started as quickly as possible. So if you're free, message me during the day, even anytime you're free, just message me.